All right, y'all. Let's break down this insane idea. If Goku could die by the Death Note, and if he could die, could he also be resurrected by the Dragon Balls? And I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I think the answer is both yes and no. And also, it depends because apparently these universes don't play the same rules. But here's the thing. The Death Note only works on beings that are biologically human, have a normal human lifespan, and that has a soul that fits Death Note cosmology. So let's break this down by form. Base Goku, maybe. Super Saiyan 1, 2, 3? Probably. He's still technically humanish. The Death Note would just pick a cause of death and then boom, it's done. But then when the God Kai comes in, changes everything. Because his very existence is upgraded to a divine territory. He's no longer classified as human. And therefore his energy literally cannot be sensed by the mortals. So he's spiritually closer to a demigod than some dude from Earth. So, Super Saiyan God onward, I don't think the Death Note would be able to recognize him as a valid target. The Death Note needs a human for it to work. And at this point, Goku is not that anymore. However, if Goku somehow dies from the Death Note, then the question becomes, can Dragon Balls revive him? And this part gets crazy. So, per Dragon Ball Z, Shenron cannot kill someone that was destroyed by supernatural forces that erases or blocks souls. Purunga is stronger, but he also is limited by the soul retrieval rule. And then we have Super Shenron, which doesn't have the same limitations as Purunga or Shenron from Dragon Ball Z. So that means Super Shenron would basically say, your wish is granted. These Dragon Balls override everything. No limits, no rules. They can revive the entire universe. They don't care if the Death Note, Shenron doesn't care if the Death Note ate your soul and sent it to 7-Eleven or whatever. If any dragon could do it, it would undoubtedly be Super Shenron. So yes, technically, in my opinion, Goku could die if his name was written in the Death Note. He's technically human, so he could die. However, once Goku transforms into his godlike Kai, completely useless. So let me know. Do you like this Death Note Dragon Ball Z crossover? Drop your opinion down below.